Hey, today I have something to tell you. A D65E Komatsu Bulldozer. Very powerful. But it's quite old, very old. So here it is. Drift. He do a drift on his bulldozer. Let's go. Wow. Okay, let's go closer. Test after we fix the brake system. So the operator had to run. He is 16 years of experience of operating the bulldozer. 15 years. 16 years, sorry. What is that? I don't know. And this is my truck. My pool truck. And here is another one. Had the problem with the driving chain. And this is the trailer driver. Also a good cook. All done and all set. So we go.